Here's Cheryl's travels as originally planned. This statement here, I'm going to copy and paste. This is when she leaves 15 minutes later. So this is what I was expecting for the first submission for Sarah's travels. Okay? And here are the data points. You can change the color of the data points to whatever color you want. Right? Anyway, so I put them in black. Now, how do I change the function so she's 15 minutes late? Easy. I'm going to paste that in here, and I have to make it a note. Hold on. So I'm going to add a note and say that she's going to be 15 minutes late. So that would be not f of x minus 15, or s of part, what part is this? C? C of x, ci of x would equal fi of x minus 15, parentheses, for all I. And this should be a note, so I'm going to control X that and put it in here. I was trying to put it in here. For all parts. Okay, so that looks this way. You write C1 of x equals F1 of x minus 15. That allows you to keep the original plus C, the new thing. And you continue in this fashion. This allows you to put the rest in the same manner. So part D will be D of x, D1 of x, D2 of x, D3 of x. This is C1 through 5 of x, but it's equal to x minus 15 because I want to make Sarah 15 minutes, leave it for a trip 15 minutes later. And now I'm going to put here, I'm going to put another note, and I'm going to say that in this one, she does what? What does she do in this one? What should we have her do? Take twice as long? Part D. Sarah takes twice as long? Is that what it is? So, therefore, D of x equals twice that times f of x for all parts. Okay, so go ahead and type that part. Go ahead and type them in. That would be D1 of x equals twice F1 of x.
So it's going to be
2 times.
Okay. Yeah, I was doing that right.
Yeah, 2 times. No. 2 times. Where's the times?
Okay.
It's by the 6. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, no, I did it.
1 of x. And you see that that part is now twice as big.
Yeah.
You could also change its color to green if you wanted to make it to match. So green is green. But there you go. This is the next part. I don't remember. I have them right here. So now keep going. D2.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna go down to D5.
Yeah. Repeat the same pattern all the way to D5. So right now we're doing part D, where she takes twice as long. We just did C. Now we're doing D. We're gonna do E and F in a moment. And it's all be done. Look at Chris's. Chris, let me see your Desmos for Sarah's travels. It's going to look like that.
Oh, no.
Okay, so if you understand what Cody's doing, then catch up. Finish. Doing them all.
That's because I can't see.
Well, look, you this piece of paper, remember I gave you? So listen, and follow along. So basically, we're multiplying all the parts by 2 because we want them to go right here. Oh, actually, correction, sir. This is doubling her miles, right? Or her minutes. So this is twice as far, not twice as long.
Yeah.
So what we gotta do is make a correction. Get all those x's and divide them by 2.
So you want to do the?
Yeah, divide that by 2. Like that. Get rid of the 2 in front.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, because that actually makes it go twice as far. That would be something else. Part E or something. Yeah, that would be part E. Alternatively, what you could do is, yeah, no, let's do it like this. Change all those to E's. That was part E. I made a mistake. Between my X and my Y's. And Jesus famously told me, you keep changing your mind. Well, I made a mistake.
There you go.
Okay, so that makes her go twice as far. You see that all the pieces are, it's been stretched horizontally. Now part E is make her go twice as long, make her go the same time, but make her go half as far. So what would that be? So write a note, add a note down there.
Let me go here. Notes.
Okay. Sarah goes half as far, but take the same time. So that would be E of X equals half of F of X, right?
But she goes half as far, but
Takes the same time.
takes the same time.
Well, why don't you go look at what they're doing, right? Now, if you want to put the headphones on, I said go to Desmos, do this for me. You want to do it live. Or you can listen to all those 3 videos, 4 videos, whatever it is. And follow it over. Watch. So let's see where he's at. On the last video, set of videos, I did 1 video for each thing. Here, I don't start anew. I just keep going and transforming the original. That way, I'm going to end up with all the graphs at the end, and I can take the picture at the end. Okay. If I were to stop each time and save it, I would have just 1. But since I haven't stopped, at this moment I have 3 graphs. And in a moment, I'm going to have them all. Because I'm not stopping. That's faster and maybe easier to understand. Because now, look what's going to happen next. He has to type what? What's the rule? Go back to your note. Down, no, not down, 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 down.
Oh, okay, right here.
Click on the note. Insert. Now, no, not insert. Space, I meant.
There we go.
Okay, so look at what I did last time. It was d of x equals, well, I gotta change your note up here.
Oh.
Change it to f of x divided by 2. Since you're dividing the x by 2, you're stretching it out, making it go twice as far. Right? Get rid of the 2 in front of the f. Now, I want f of x represents her mileage, how far she went. So if f of x represents, you can't be doing that. You cannot be the master of both things. You have, no, you're not. X is the minutes. F of x is the miles. If I wanted to go half as far, what do I multiply by? Do I affect the x or the f of x? Pause it. Okay, here goes. So what does he write? What's the next thing he should write? E1 of x
E1 of x
equals what?
equals
No, you want her to go twice as far.
I'm double
Twice, 2 times f of f1 of x. Enter. And so on. So if you understand the pattern, then you keep going. So you see the graph is building. There it goes. She took the same time for lunch, but it was farther away. She's going to go on the same freeway, but she's going to go farther on that freeway. And now, same traffic nightmare, twice as far. and back to normal twice as far. Now I need to adjust the settings here so it's twice as far. It was 100, 130. Click on these settings here, and you can increase that to what was it? Or just zoom in using your thing.
I just want to zoom in.
Yeah, or zoom out. I mean, click zoom out. There you go. Again. There you go. Now one last one. Let's do the last one, which was Sarah starts 30 minutes earlier and twice as far.
I gotta add a note.
No, add a note.
And add a note.
Bro, I'm gonna come here lunch, honestly.
Goes twice as
Hold
far.
on. I don't know why the note went up there. Add a note. Okay, so Sarah.
Goes twice as far. Starts 30 minutes earlier and goes twice as far. So you want to shift her to the left 30 minutes?
Goes twice
And-
as far.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and twice as far. Enter, so tab or space or, so what is that? F of x equals, no, not F. Let's call this S of x, because we have an F.
Mhm.
Equals what?
Should you take attendance?
Equals what?
It's gonna be,
Twice as far is
yeah, so it's gonna be
2f,
2 times f.
yeah. 30 minutes
Uh,
earlier is x what? Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus.
No, minus is,
Oh, wait.
moves you to
Yeah.
the right. So move it to the left.
So it's gonna be plus 30?
Yeah, plus 30.
Like that.
It's the inverse universe in there. Okay, and then try it on one piece.
Okay. So it's gonna be
Let's try the first piece.
S of x equals 2 times f1 equals x plus 30.
You forgot the 1 and the S. Okay, guys, see you later.
Yeah, you're right.
Put a 1. There. And there it is, the first piece. Stop the recording. Okay, so in order to finish this, you would have to do the rest of the parts. So it follows a pattern. And keep going. I leave the rest to you. Take a screenshot. Screenshot of the product of all the functions. Turn it in and submit. Anyway.